greatest towboat in the world. You're looking at it. The XStar 23 delivers world-class performance, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, all wrapped in an unmistakable design. At its core, the exclusive Ilmor supercharged 6.2-liter engine delivers 630 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque. Paired with our XStar system, the XStar 23 produces powerful, perfectly tuned wakes and waves with unmatched consistency and unrivaled customization. Behind the wheel, dual screens and MasterCraft's MyDrive system put you in total command. Customizable profiles, intuitive controls, total responsiveness. Exactly how it should be. Inside, it's all about thoughtful luxury. Versatile seating, cool-feel vinyl, transom lounge seats, and dialed-in ergonomics create the ultimate all-modern experience, no matter where you sit. And then there's the unprecedented soundstage audio experience. A 7-zone, fully customizable system that surrounds every inch of the XStar 23 with immersive, high-fidelity sound. The all-new Max Transom audio experience takes the party to the back of the boat, delivering insane clarity and power whether you're in the boat or riding behind it. Top it all off with the all-new Z100 tower, effortless to operate and finished with backlit badging, XL surf racks, sound pods, and custom color options to elevate your style. This is the boat that set the standard and continues to raise it. Looking for a deeper dive into all the XStar family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.